And now we have Blue Thunder that has arrived.
Good, you can go back towards me though. Yep. Let it roll, baby, let it roll.
Yo, what's up? So, we're back with Blue Thunder. It's been a while, it's been in paint. We've got a nice shiny paint job back on there now, in the electric blue. We are gonna today be putting back on the body kit. We're gonna put the bumper back on, the headlights in, and make it look fresh again.
Make Blue Thunder great again.
Make Blue Thunder great again.
And we're gonna take our time. We're gonna do it nice and slow, Speedy. No scratches on the shiny paint. No stripped bolts.
No chop on the bar.
Last piece of the body kit.
Alright, so we got everything pretty much wrapped up with Blue Thunder engine-wise. We got our power steering lines, fuel filter, everything like that sorted. Our ECU's back from Flash Tune. Our wiring harness is installed, so we're gonna see if it'll fire up.
Now we can do burnout.
You starting this for us, dude?
Absolutely.
How's the AC in there? Not working.
Throw a little starting fluid in there. Just get her fired up.
No, there's a funny name for one of them.
Yeah, that's cool.
Up, you're back with your boy Speedy, and today we are finalizing the Blue Thunder build. We spent this last 4 months turning the shell of this car into a full-time streetable drift car, and it even has AC so you can keep cool while you're being cool. I'm glad I got to see this build through from start to finish and work alongside my new family at Drift HQ. We've set this car up to take a lot of abuse, do some sweet skids, some mean burnies, and all around good fun. So it started off as a dream build. Duarte made a reality by putting together a wicked parts list and giving Blue Thunder the rebirth it deserved. Chris has had his fingers in all parts of the build, and Crickett has fabricated some custom pieces unique to this car. Now my time has come. They're finally shipping me off back to England. Apparently there's a pandemic going on, so stay safe, hide your kids, hide your wives. Speedy out.